It's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today is Craftmas Season 2, Episode 36. And I'm going to show you how I added this beautiful design to the swaddle blanket that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. Now, this blanket came from Hobby Lobby with a headband, and it was $19.99, but I did use my 40% off coupon. Now, remember, if you are a $10 or more a month patron, you do get access to this file, which says, "Let her sleep, for when she wakes, she will move mountains." Look how pretty that looks. Now, if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle, I will show you everything that we did. So as you can see, I have my swaddle blanket laid right here. So the first thing I want to do to be able to get my angle correctly for my vinyl is we want to turn it over onto the white side. There we go. And we want to fold that top corner in for the swaddle. So that way we have a nice flat edge, there we go, to lay out our design. Okay, and I'm just kind of checking for center. It doesn't have to be exact. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my vinyl, which says, "Let her sleep, for when she wakes, she will move mountains." There we go. Laying that out centered on the Steady Betty. So now we're going to cover that with the Teflon sheet and press for the 15 seconds. And then we'll move it down to the other section because this is a little over 12 inches wide. Okay, now to the second portion of it. Okie dokie. Look how pretty that looks on there. I'm moving the camera down so you can see, but look how good that looks. Now, if you'll give me a moment, I'll go over everything we just did. So hopefully you like this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. And remember, we post new videos every single day at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for Craftmas. But I guess that's it, so we'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.